What is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Ginger Red Coffin unboxing for you guys. Please, I do pay for this box with my very own money, so they do not send me this box. So yeah, let's just get on to this unboxing, and thank you for your support. The box, they give you little cards. This card is so cute. On the back of it, it has like this, which I don't really like read, I just kind of look at it. And then the theme for this month is healthy ghoul. Really cute. And you guys know me with these little wormies. I always put these on my head as like a little crown. First thing is some fruit snacks. Now I don't think I've tried these before, I don't know, but they are the Annie organic bunny fruit snacks. So look, it's so cute, little bunny fruit snacks. And then we get a stone every single month, and I got a wormy or two wormies stuck to it. Saying on it, this is just what it looks like. It's really pretty. My shoulder hurts. Ugh. Old age, you guys. Old age. A Gorosol quartz, also called Gorosol opal or milky quartz. Cool. Found in Madagascar. That's really cool. Like, this stone can help you feel calm, relaxed, hopeful, and optimistic. Perfect. Some calm, and I need me some relaxed. Also amplify your ability to be creative, thoughtful, and focused in your life. Cool. What else? It can also support the healing processes for those suffering with diabetes, immune systems imbalances, and chronic fatigue. Pretty cool. I like to keep these because it like tells me about the stones, so I do keep them. A little journal book, which is really cute. It says, "Your insides are beautiful." This is really cool. It has like a rib cage, some flowers, a bat. It does look like the cute little bat. It's so adorable. Which, that's really cool. It has like that little elastic there to keep the book closed. Why is it paper? Oh, this is really cool too. How it has like little... It had a little bookmarky thing. I don't know if it like comes off or did I like break it off. I use up a lot of these books, to be honest, with just everything, so it comes in handy, and it's cool because it's black. And I like that. It's really cute. Next is a little... Ooh, it's a Goth Ghoul emergency kit little baggie, which is really cute. I like the bat. Oh, they're actually purple roses. Cute. And then it's like braided right here, so you can like, I can like walk with it. And it just opens up. This is really cool. And just the inside of it. You know, the thing is a headband. This is cool. I wonder if it's gonna fit around my big head though. It just says Glamour Ghoul, which is like this. I hope it fits my big ass head. I think it needs to be that tight, but like, damn. Ooh, this is really cool. I'm gonna have to get myself a water bottle though. A water tracker decal. It's like a water bottle sticker. Kind of looks like the ghost Pac-Mans. That's what it kind of reminds me of, like the ghosts. They look like Pac-Man ghosts and all of that. So that's really cute. Okay, the last thing is a bath bomb. It says Hex the Stress Shadowy Water Scent Bath Bomb. Oh my god. This smells like a man's axe. Like a really good smelling axe. That reminds me of... Looks like this. There's like some blue in there. I think it's like gray. I'm stoked for that bath bomb. So... that's cool. That's just what I got in the box for this month. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.